Here when it's my just have to like put it up there. That's it. And it sucks. It's gonna be like a tiny surprise. Okay, so the present Valanka is kind of popping up right now to give you a brief to exactly what is happening in the vlog because certain things can be really confusing. So this vlog was filmed on 13th of May and the vlog is going up now. There was a lockdown during that time. I mean a curfew, I believe. I think it was a curfew, but you know how it was. So everything was shut. Only I think certain bakeries were open because they had a kitchen attached to them, and only places where kitchen was there, I think, could be open or something like that. I don't know. Basically, nothing was open. Only few places were open, so I had to work it out. So when I said I tried my best, I actually did try my best. Okay.
And her basket is filled with snacks instead of things she actually went to buy.
My head was even at this point, like, forget it. Can't do anything much. Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Valanka, and if you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe. So today is that day of the year when it's Vanoshka's birthday. For all those who do not know who Vanoshka is, she's my baby sister who is not actually a baby anymore. It's her 18th birthday today. So all those who have been here since day one
When she meant day one, she was talking about her first video, which was just few videos back.
know for a fact that Vanoshka is extremely picky. She doesn't like the attention on her birthday and it sucks. I'm going to be Valanka at the end of the day and I'm still going to do something small for her, which is basically a surprise, but not that big of a surprise that she gets overwhelmed. It's going to be like a tiny surprise. Last time, you guys remember, I tried to bake a cake. Oh my goodness, what the heck, yaar? This really doesn't look like a proper cake. Didn't go as planned, but it was something, it was nice. It tasted good. That's what matters, okay?
Okay.
But this time I just didn't want to take the risk of baking a cake and we don't know if it's going to turn out good. And we know like 90% it won't even look good. So with that 10%, I wouldn't want to move forward after seeing what I did last time. So I didn't take that risk. I ordered a cake for Vanoshka, which she wanted. Like she had this cake in mind. She loves black and gold. So it's a black cake, like a full black cake. It's like, how am I supposed to explain? What am I doing? Yeah. So it's a round cake. That's how we explain a cake. I don't know. Not a pro at cake explanation here, but it's a round cake and she only wanted HBD written on it in small alphabets. That's it. So I ordered this cake and I picked it up this morning. But the cake, it didn't. I mean, I don't know what's with Vanoshka's birthday at this point. I just feel like, like she can't get the best cake ever. Like the cake she wants, she can never get it. Like I don't know what is it. Like last time I tried making a cake, it didn't look good. This time I knew what cake she wanted. I gave that design to those people. And I mean like the guy understood. He was like, I'm sorry, the factory really made a mistake. And he gave me like a 25% discount on the cake, which is amazing. But the cake doesn't look the way I wanted to. I'm going to show you guys what cake I got right now. Yeah, so guys, this is the cake that I got. Like, this is the cake I got. It was supposed to be a round plain cake. I didn't want this decor here. This wasn't supposed to be. I didn't want a border. It was supposed to be black and plain. And this handwriting, I don't know what the hell this is. It was supposed to be gold. HBD. It looks, I don't know when Vanoshka's reaction is going to be. I feel like what is this? Why am I looking so white? Like my foundation isn't that white. I think it's the lighting and my phone together. Just ignore that, okay? Yeah. I didn't want to mess up the cake this time. I wanted the cake to be perfect. Like, is that too much to ask for? And this is what I get. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not what I asked for. I don't know. I just hope she likes it. I don't know. I mean, she's not going to love it. We know that. But I hope it tastes amazing that she forgets how it looks. The cake part is sorted. Now we have to do a little bit of the decor. Like, I think this surprise is going to be around 7:38 because I have to order her favorite dish for her, which is a surprise. Like, that's the second surprise. I hope that comes good. So that restaurant actually opens like at 6 o'clock. So after that only I can order it. So yeah, I think I'll get done with the decoration now. So then I can aramse do everything else.
One eternity later.
This is literally me hours later without doing anything. So as I told y'all, I had a dish in mind which I had to order. So apparently right now no one is ready to deliver the dish. So yeah. So I had to order something else really fast and those people are on their way and I have like literally 5 to 10 minutes to decorate the entire house. How do I always run late at the end? I don't know how. Like, I was so prepared with this and something or the other had to go wrong. Oh my god. Why do I look so white? These Oppo phones, I tell you. At least this time I do not have to make the entire happy birthday thing. I have already a ready-made one, so I just have to like put it up there. That's it. Is it even now? Like, I can't really make out. At this point, I've just lost my patience. So, if it's not even, I don't know what to do. Thankfully, I had this decor from before.
And this went on for another million years.
Oh my god. My fingers are literally red. Can you see it? See, it's red. Okay, so we are almost done now. So last time we had the theme pink. This time it's clearly black and gold. So wait, I'll show you a better shot. So we're almost done. I'm sorry about this. I'm not going to iron this now. We really don't have time, neither can I iron properly. So the cake is missing and I think we are done almost. So let's just hope now that Vanoshka likes it. Because if she doesn't like it, I really don't know what's gonna happen. So first of all, she's picky, and then this is not exactly what I planned. So see, clearly my hair has a life of its own. When I say it's a fluff ball, like, see, they can't. Like, the curls down is fine, but you're no. So I just went in the washroom and this is what happened. So we have to do this again. The setup is ready and the cake is in place, so we are going to call Vanoshka now and see. anything? No. There's a story behind this cake. You need to know it. Okay, so remember the cake you actually wanted always? What was it? Just describe the cake for the viewers. The cake you love. Like the cake you always wanted, the black and gold. Like, describe how it should look.
Plain black, no decorations, nothing.
Yeah, plain black cake, how, what shape, everything. Just describe it.
Inside also.
No, outside. Just describe the
It's a
out.
plain black cake with the HBD.
Yeah, that is what I ordered, and this is what I got. What?
Nothing.
This was my reaction. So I roamed the whole arcade. I was like, I want that cake. I explained the cake. They drew the cake. The cake didn't look like this, and this is the cake that came. So that's why they were also disappointed. Like the factory made it, so you couldn't do anything much about it. They actually wrote happy birthday, and they actually removed it and wrote HBD just for your happiness. Because you like
Thank
HBD.
God at least you didn't make it.
That's what I said to myself, that is the only thing you'll be happy on. It tastes good, it's chocolate truffle. You don't like chocolate truffle, don't tell me. I'm going to die. Vanushka, I know you like
I
it.
only ate one cake for them.
I know, but that is not available. I checked everywhere.
Now what do you want me to do?
You're supposed to cut the cake. wait! Okay, Vanushka, before you cut the cake, I have some tea for you. Like, what were you craving for so many days? You have been craving it. Day and night. Just say it.
I don't know.
Won't get it
crave
now.
Food all the time.
No, but like these days you wanted some, but you can't get it kind of a dish. You have never tasted it. I don't know if you have tasted it with your friends, but like not in front. Yes. So no, it's not there. Don't be having.
Please no, I don't want
No, you love it. You know
Not
it.
today, I'm not today.
Yeah. So what happened is you love sushi. I was like, I want to arrange for sushi. I called up people. I was like, can I get sushi? I need sushi for my sister's birthday. They're like, ma'am, today is some Eid thing, so we kept it short, and it is so annoying. That was my second surprise after this. After this being flop, I was like, that needs to work.
What flop is that?
It's not a plain black cake with HBD written. That's my point. Is it not nice? Please don't say it's not nice.
Fine.
It is better than what I could make. So that's what. So there's no sushi. So then I brought American chopsy. I hope you like it. But first let's cut the cake. We have not cut the cake yet.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
It fell out. So initially, as you saw, Anushka's mood was really bad, and now it's good. You little burrito, but she's 18. Does this child look 18?
Get a little more close to my face and I'll be 42.
Oh, see that skin glowing. It's okay, you still look cute, love.
Oh, this picture actually came good.
There you go, birthday girl.
With the filter, you look nice.
Okay, there you go. Tissue, darling. Okay, I'll just have mine. Oh my god, my legs hurt for some reason. Okay, I didn't sleep. I slept 4 hours last night and I'm awake on coffee.
I slept more than 20 years. I still am.
That's you, Anushka. Okay, keep it up because it's like making her look too white. That's because we are just sitting below the light. Okay. Okay, before we end the video, did you like the surprise?
Yeah, I do.
Why are you so dead? Look worse than the decoration that's fallen.
Oh, at this point, even I'm gonna fall. I literally have fallen.
I'm so tired.
Yawn.
You slept 20 hours today and you're still tired. Like, what? I slept for 4 hours. 4 hours, Vanoshka.
You're used to it. You never sleep. Bloody vampire you are.
Vanoshka, I'm surviving on coffee.
What?
I'm surviving on coffee. Okay, whatever. Vanashka's birthday is getting over in 1.5 hours. She's already 18. Vanashka, please start acting mature like an 18-year-old. Nothing happening. I don't know. We are looking. We are not drunk, guys. The cake had no rum or anything. I feel like I'm
drunk always.
tired. So tired. We're done. We enjoyed.
So weird. I look so weird. No, I look weird. We'll change the angle.
See, this is better. Okay, fine. Okay, guys. So we are done. I'm not done eating yet. Forget my hair. I'm not done eating yet, but we are done enjoying, I guess. There's more. We are gonna have like a movie night at night. So Vanashka's gonna end the video today. Birthday girl, come on.
Bye bye. Like the video, share, subscribe, do whatever is needed. Bye bye.